Welcome to 141 Powderhorn Drive, brought to you by Caldwell Banker. This house is just a little over 2,000 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It's got a garage for 2 vehicles and some. The backyard's got some great space, good concrete pad to be able to have a barbecue and have your friends over. Just want to take this time today to show you this house. My name is Wyatt with eXp Realty. Let's go check it out.